Hello, my name is Jackie Brinkman, and I'm the Director of Graduate Student Professional Development in Graduate and Postdoctoral Studies at UBC. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the professional development website on grad.ubc.ca. To get started, under Current Students, Professional Development, you will see a list of themes for a variety of professional development workshops, services, and resources provided to you by various central units on campus. For example, under the workshop, services, and resources, if you were to click on services, you will get a list of variety of services available to you and short descriptions, as well as the theme that you might be able to find them under, as well as the provider who offers that service. As well, if you were to search under a theme such as academic support and success, you also see events, services, and resources. So if you were to click under services on this tab, you would see all of the services currently available to you offered by various providers. And if you were to click on such as writing consultations, it will take you out to the website and the Camper Partners site where you can find out more about that service. You could also go to the Center for Writing and Scholarly Communications page on the site, and that will also link out to their particular events, services, and resources. So if you were to click on resources, again, you could see descriptions of resources available to you through this center. And this is the same for all of the 8 themes that are provided on our website. So whether you prefer to search thematically or through each of the different topics, to note there's also search function under each of these, so you can search for particular keywords. We also have links on this page to the Graduate Pathways to Success program, the Graduate Game Plan, which is a step-by-step guide to different areas and times through your graduate degree and can help you for things such as establishing a positive relationship with your supervisor and committee, and you can go through this scannable document to get resources on how to thrive throughout your program at UBC. We also have links to programs such as the Three-Minute Thesis, and as well as links to all of our campus partners, which are provided through here, so you can click and learn more about each of their services, such as those offered through the Center for Teaching, Learning, and Technology. Lastly, on our page, there's Alumni on Success and advice from current students, so you can follow here and find out where a lot of graduate student alumni are currently working and their advice to current students to help you with navigating both graduate school and what to do after your program. If you have any questions whatsoever, please contact us at graduate.pathways@ubc.ca. Thank you.